Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add people on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and also your applications. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find your game library. And here, as you can see guys in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. Here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections such as games and also media. And right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, I'm gonna go back to games, and right here in games, as you can see guys, if you want to add people, it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and click on the PS app on your controller. And then once you do that, right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're gonna find home, switcher, notifications, game base, music, downloads and uploads, sound, mic, accessories, and lastly power. So right now, go ahead and click on game base. And then once you click on game base, right here, you're gonna find friends, parties, messages, and lastly here you're gonna find the Discord section. So right now I'm gonna go back to friends, and then here you're gonna find all of your friends, and here in the top you're gonna find the option to search for players. Go ahead and click on search for players, and then right here you're gonna find some suggested players, and here in the top you can just click right here, then type the name or search for the name of the player you want to add, then you can easily add them. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.